everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can easily log out of your Heyday account. If you're playing Heyday and want to log out of your current account, then here is how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open the Heyday game on your device and wait for it to load. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner, this one over here, and click on Settings. After you're inside the Settings menu, go to the Connected button at the top right next to Supercell ID, and then once you see this interface, click on the gear button at the top left. Now, you'll see a Logout button inside it. Click on it and click on Logout in the pop-up. Now, you will be able to see yourself logged out from Heyday. You can log in whenever you want by choosing one of these options. Remember, you should always connect your farm to Supercell ID before logging out to avoid losing progress. Logging out does not delete your farm if it's already safely linked, but you can log back in anytime using the same Supercell ID. So that's how you easily log out of Heyday account and safely manage your progress. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.